Hello children, today we are going to discuss about HTML. We have already sent you the videos for the basic part of the HTML, and as you can see on my screen I have the basic HTML written here, right? Today we are going to discuss about style sheets here. Let us start. I'll be writing some basic dummy text, just some random text. You can get it from the internet, anything. I will save it, and here on the right hand side you can see that I have some basic text written here, right? Our purpose today is cascading style sheets. Now, what is a style sheet? Style sheet is used to design and apply the effects, might be color or whatever the formatting effects on an HTML page, or on the HTML page elements also. Like if you want to apply some formatting effect on a paragraph or image or something, that you can do. All right. Now, I'll be placing an image over here. Let us first of all see what are the style sheets and how to apply the effect. See, you have to require one selector. Okay, inside the selector you need a property to work on, and you must have a value. Okay, so in reality it becomes something like this. See, selector, curly braces, property, colon, and a value. Okay, like this. Now, what is this selector? Let's discuss it one by one. Selector means the element, the HTML element you're working on. For example, I can work on the body, I can work on the image, I can work on a div tag, or I can have just simple paragraph with me. Okay, so that becomes a selector. For example, if I have to work on the body, I'll be writing body, right? Then I'll be starting with this brace, the curly brace. Then I'll be writing a property. Okay, that property could be background color. You can see, if you have Notepad++ children, it gives you these IntelliSense hints itself. I'll be going with background color for now. So this is our property, and I want to give a value. The value could be anything. It could be green or yellow or something. Let us go with green. Okay, and you have to put a semicolon just in case you have to write more values. Okay, now where we'll be writing all this? Inside the head tag. So I'll be copying it, in fact cutting it from here, and I'll be writing it here inside the head tag. All right, and I'll be saving it. Okay, you can even go to file and then save. We have to write it in the style tag, children. Okay, and then our style tag ends here, right? Let us run it here. See there, the background color has gone green now. All right, there are some more values to this, so let us try those. You can, in place of green, you can also write it in hex format like 00 and FFFF. Okay, you can search for HTML codes on the HTML hex code on the internet. It will give you the values of all. So it goes like this: HTML hex codes, right? And there we are. You see this, you can just copy this and you can place it in a file here like so. Okay, and then you can try this color. See, got it? What do you have to write? You have to write HTML hex codes. There are a lot many websites down below also. You can pick up from there. Like I'm clicking on this. See, the hex value is given here. right? You can click on anywhere, even you can change the color, and then you can pick up this color HTML hex code and replace it in our file, save it, and then you can try the new color. Okay, I hope it is clear till here. Right, now you can continue writing like this inside this tag. If you want, you can even drop it down like so. Okay, let us continue. So what we have now, after that we have a background image. Just in case I don't like the background color, I can go with the background image. Here you can put a colon, and then you can write the name of the file, whatever you have to write. Now directly we cannot write it in code like this. Okay, so if I show you my structure here, and let us go here. I have a folder images in this. In the images I have these two files with me. So let us say that I want to put this image in our file. So I'll be going images slash chip1.png. You can see here png file it is, right? So I'll be writing URL, and then inside that, inside the double quotes, I'll be writing my images folder, and then the name of the file chip1.png. Okay, so I save this, and then when I run this, I get this as the background image. You can see that it has written it once, then down below another one, and so on, right? Now imagine I don't want such a big image. Okay, so what to do with that, how to go about what we'll do now is we will put a semicolon and continue with the background. Now this time I don't want such a big image, so I'll be putting background size. Background size, and how much? Now you can say that I want 300 by 300 pixels, I want 200 by 200 pixels, and so on. Let us say I want 300 pixels by 300 pixels. So this is the way to write. You save this, and then when you come here, see there are so many images on our page. Why they are like that? Because I have given the size as 300 by 300. So our image has become smaller and it has started repeating it. Alright, now imagine that I don't want to repeat it. Then what do we have to do? Then you will say that I don't want to repeat it. And you write a background repeat. If I say no repeat, here no repeat, it won't repeat. See, it has kept it only once. Okay, no repetition. But imagine that I want to repeat it only in one direction. Now my direction could be repeat along X, okay, like so, or my direction could be repeat along Y, okay, and there we go. All right, you can even say no repeat. All right, that's up to you. See now, if I write just repeat, it'll start repeating along X and along Y. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Then once I have the image and I write no repeat, it will write it only once. You know that. Now next thing is that I want to write the background position, where it should appear. Now here the rule is that you have to write first horizontal, that is the X position, and then we talk about the Y position. Along the X position, you can say that I want it at the top, bottom, or center. Along Y you can say I want it left, center, or right. Okay, so keeping that thing in mind, let us say I want it on the left side, and then after leaving a space I want it on the center. Okay, now when I come here and do this, it is there on the left and then it is there on the center. Center means center of this text. Okay, see that? If I write here center, center, then what it will do, it will put it in the center. Okay, see there? Now you can see it easily that it is moving along with the file, right? So imagine I want to stop this, then what to do? I can write here background attachment. Now you want to scroll it. The scroll behavior is already there, no? See, it is scrolling. Imagine I don't want that. I want to keep it fixed. Then I can have this, and now you sorry, you not saved the file. Background attachment. It has to be written like this with a hyphen in between. So I save it. See now, my text is moving, but the image is not scrolling with it. Is it clear till here? Yeah. So what we have discussed till now: background color, background image, background size, background repeat, background attachment, background position. All right. I hope it is clear to you.